Hey guys, this is just a quick update on how the pepper plants are coming along. These here are Aji Dulce. And Aji Dulce, it isn't really a hot pepper. It would fall mainly in the sweet pepper category. And it packs a lot of flavor. It's used a lot in Caribbean cuisine. This pepper is black cobra, also known as goat's weed, which is one of my favorite due to its cool characteristics and features. It has these cool purple and white flowers. I also like the way that this plant produces peppers upwards towards the sky. They don't hang like normal peppers. One of my buddies by the name of Jerry Hicks, he received one of our black cobra plants and he wanted to know why his grew without the black tint on the leaves. Well, some black cobra don't have the black tint on the leaves. They have white flowers, but they still produce the same black peppers that grow upwards towards the sky. The flavor and the taste and the heat is all still the same, which is about 50,000 Scoville heat units, making it about 4 to 5 times hotter than a jalapeno. And these peppers grow from green to black to red. As the black cobra ripens to a bright red, I did notice that the flavor lingers on a little longer and it has a stronger and more pungent flavor. So Jerry, I hope this answers your questions about the black cobra peppers and pepper plants. And by the way guys, Jerry Hicks makes ghost pepper hot sauce. The moment he gets that bottle over to me, I will keep you guys updated. Now, these are orange habanero, which, believe it or not, this is the first and only pepper that I've ever actually eaten. And when I say eaten, I mean that I've actually just popped the whole thing in my mouth and crunched it up. These things are 350,000 Scoville heat units. I mean, I've sampled every pepper. I've nibbled off of my Carolina Reapers. Oh, now, I mean, I've taken bites. In fact, I've taken nice sized bites off of a lot of peppers, but this orange habanero right here, this is the first and only pepper I've ever just popped in my mouth and just smashed. And these are the yellow ghost. I've just been wondering for a while, like, what are these things like? I mean, oh yeah. Let's take a video break. This is hot. Oh yeah. I'll come back. Hey guys. It's the next day and yeah, this pepper is cute and inviting, but wow. I mean, this pepper right here, it put me down. It put me on my butt. Today it's raining, and like I said, I had never eaten anything hotter than an orange habanero. But what I mean by that is I had been working my way up and working my way up. I had worked my way up to I was eating like maybe 80% of a ghost pepper with no incident, but this yellow ghost, for some reason, it put me on my butt. Like I was saying, I wouldn't recommend for anyone, a first timer or anyone, to eat a hot pepper like a yellow ghost. Like I said, I've been eating peppers for years, for as long as I can remember, and I love hot stuff, but for some reason this yellow ghost gave me severe stomach cramps. My stomach was hurting for at least 30-40 minutes, but the way it was cramping, it felt like hours of pain. And like I said, I've been working my way up. For the longest, I've been eating like maybe 75% of a habanero. I've eaten up to 50% of a Carolina Reaper, but for some reason, that yellow ghost just, I don't know, it took me out the game yesterday. It took me out the game, and I'll be the first to admit it. But at the same time, I have no aspirations of becoming a hothead. But I do love hot stuff, and I just know I have to do it in moderation. And that's what I would tell anyone who wants to try this for the first time, because these peppers are nothing to play with. The 7-pot chocolate Douglah are coming in. And man, like I said, these peppers are treacherous. I mean, they hold a lot of heat. But we mainly use them for culinary purposes. Once again, I wouldn't advise anyone who don't know what they're doing to just eat one of these things, because I mean, you can go into anaphylactic shock, you can get severe stomach cramps. But like I said, we grow them and we love them. We love hot stuff, but we mainly grow our peppers for culinary purposes, to make jellies, powders, and some amazing hot sauces. I just enjoy the flavors. I love roasting them, trying them different ways and trying different things. But that's why we grow so many super hot peppers. Since it's raining and I have a little downtime, I thought I would show you guys this monster Carolina Reaper and Yellow Primo that I'm growing out of a 1-gallon Heineken beer keg. So I got a few Reapers on here, and also have a few Yellow Primo growing. And this is actually a project that my wife started, which I'll let her tell you guys about that. And these are a few plants that my wife and I have been growing from seeds that were sent to us by people who have been supporting us since day one. Let me see off the top of my head. John Estes, Samantha and Steve Beller, Jimmy Johnson, Zach Smith, Bob West, and Kevin Malone. Kevin Malone, the Pepper Man. This guy came and supported us when we had just became an official business. Wow, I mean, I can't express how much he's helped us. The real strains of real seeds that he's given us. Kevin Malone, Kevin Malone, the Pepper Man. You guys check him out. He sells hot pepper powder and seeds, but I don't want to spoil it. Look, my wife is going to cover this for all you guys, and just be on the lookout for the update. But I just want to thank you guys. Thank you guys for allowing us to grow with you, and thank you for growing with us.